next-generation stealth aircraft, the Invisible Armada. The U.S. Air Force has confirmed the development of the F-47, a sixth-generation fighter that, honestly, makes the F-22 Raptor look like yesterday's technology. This revolutionary aircraft combines stealth capabilities that surpass current fighters with artificial intelligence systems that can command fleets of autonomous drones in combat. The F-47 represents the next-generation air dominance program's vision for the future of air warfare. Unlike previous fighters designed mainly for air-to-air combat, the F-47 integrates multiple mission capabilities including air superiority, ground attack, electronic warfare, and drone command. Its advanced stealth design potentially uses a tailless flying wing configuration, which minimizes radar signature beyond anything we've seen so far. What really sets sixth-generation fighters apart is their integration with autonomous systems. The F-47 can serve as a command node for collaborative combat aircraft, autonomous drones that extend the fighter's sensor range and weapons capacity. A single pilot could control several unmanned wingmen, multiplying combat effectiveness and reducing risk to human operators. The aircraft's adaptive cycle engines, potentially including the Pratt & Whitney XA-100, allow switching between high-speed performance and fuel-efficient cruising. This flexibility enables sustained operations over vast distances, while still maintaining the speed needed for air combat. The engine's variable cycle capability optimizes performance for different mission phases. Advanced avionics systems incorporate artificial intelligence to manage sensor data, coordinate with autonomous platforms, and assist pilot decision-making. The F-47's cockpit represents a fundamental shift from traditional controls to AI-assisted interfaces that can process information much faster than human operators, while still keeping humans in charge of critical decisions.